everyone, welcome to Learn and Fun. In last video, we have completed simple future tense, and in today's video, we will see future continuous tense. When do we use future continuous tense? Something will occur in the future and continue for an expected length of time. At that time, we use future continuous tense. Example is, I will be recording videos on Sunday. Let's see the affirmative structure of future continuous tense. Subject plus will be plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Here we are using will be plus verb first form plus ing with every subject. With the subject he, she, name, it, we use will be plus verb first form plus ing. Same with the subject I, we, they, you, we use will be plus verb first form plus ing. Let's see few examples with affirmative structure. First one is, I will be writing a letter. Second one is, she will be playing football. Third one is, they will be joining the session. And the last one is, we will be making food. Negative structure of future continuous tense is subject plus will not plus be plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Let's see few examples. First one is, I will not be writing a letter, or we can say I won't be writing a letter. Second one is, they will not be closing this deal. Third one is, she will not be playing football. And the last one is, they will not be joining the session. Let's see interrogative structure for future continuous tense. Will plus subject plus be plus verb first form plus ing plus object. To make it interrogative, we always use will before the subject. With the subject he, she, name, it, we use will before the subject plus be plus verb first form plus ing. Same with the subject will plus subject I, we, they, you plus be plus verb first form plus ing. Let's see some examples with interrogative. First one is, will I be playing football? Will they be closing this deal? Third one is, will she be writing a letter? And the last one is, will they be joining the session? And the most important is uses of future continuous tense. First one is action in progress at a time in future. Example is, I will be helping him this Sunday. Second one is interrupted action in future. We use the word when. Example is, she will be waiting for you when you arrive. And the third one is parallel action in the future. It means two actions will be happening at the same time. For that, we use while keyword between the two sentences or two actions. Example is, Ram will be dancing while Hari will be singing. Here we are using while to denote parallel actions. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos.